Is your Xfinity router or modem flashing a blue light and you're not sure why? Don't worry, you're not alone. A flashing blue light is actually a very common status message. In this video, we'll break down exactly what it means and how to fix it using simple steps to get you back online. Let's get started. What does the flashing blue light mean? First, let's decode the light. A flashing blue light on your Xfinity modem typically means one of two things. It's currently booting up after just being powered on or restarted. Second reason is WPS mode. If you press WPS button, then your gateway is trying to make a connection with another wireless device. Once connected, your new device should be up and running, and blue light will turn solid white. How to fix blue light blinking. If you just plugged it in or restarted it, please give it this full time to complete its process. A modem can take anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes to fully boot up. Download its configuration and connect to the network. Go grab a cup of coffee, and when you come back, see if the light has turned to solid white. If it has, you're all set. If it's still flashing after 10 minutes, then we move to Step 2. Step 2, the power cycle. Unplug the power cable from the back of your modem. Also, if you have a separate router, unplug it too. Now, wait a full 60 seconds. This is crucial. It gives the equipment time to fully clear its memory and allows the connection to reset on Xfinity's end. Step 3. Check your connections. If you're still seeing a blinking blue light, let's check your physical connections. The most important one is the coaxial cable. That's the thick, round cable that screws into the wall and the back of your modem. If you've tried all these steps and that blue light is still flashing after 20 to 30 minutes, the issue might be outside your home. There could be a network outage in your area or a signal problem that only Xfinity can fix. This is when it's time to contact Xfinity support directly. You can call them, use the Xfinity app, or check their website to see if there's a known outage in your neighborhood. If this video helped you to fix flashing blue light on your Xfinity modem, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more simple troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching.